Here we'll learn about how to allow notifications for Snapchat on your iPhone. If you can't allow notifications for your Snapchat, then watch this full video till end and follow the easy steps. So without any delay, let's get started. First, launch the App Store on your iPhone. Next, search for Snapchat app and make sure your Snapchat app is updated with latest version. To allow turn on notification, open the Snapchat app. Now in Snapchat, tap on chat, then tap on your Snapchat profile. Here is like that. Now tap on settings icon at the top right corner. In settings, your all details available. Here scrolling down and find manage option under additional services. Then tap on manage for more options. Now tap on permissions. In permissions, you can see the notifications. Tap on it to enable. Now here tap on notifications. Here tap toggle on next to allow notification. Now you can see more options for notifications. Next tap on Snapchat notification settings. Now here tap toggle on or off for notifications is your choice. So now notification is enabled for Snapchat on your iPhone. So we'll just go to settings and check for notifications. Here as you can see notifications is enabled. That's it. Thanks for watching and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. If helpful this video, then like, share and comment.